What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm just going to head to Speed Zone and going to get my side splitters installed. It's been long enough. They finally sent the correct size, so we're gonna go and get those installed. There was a couple events today. Not gonna make it to those. If you've been keeping an eye on the news, you know that Florida is a big hotspot for COVID right now, so trying to eliminate as much exposure as can, and going to those two car events would have definitely not been the greatest of ideas. But here, going to the shop, shouldn't be too many people, and I'll be able to socially distance correctly. So yeah, about to go head there. I hate parking here. It's cool because the car itself will be a little cooler, but it gets very dirty. Worse than normal. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold up too much. About to head on over there now. Alright, just pulling up, parked, about to go in, drop the keys off, and yeah, doesn't look like there's too many people here today. Maybe, I mean, it's towards the end of the day, so we might get a few more who stop by. We'll see. Alright, look who showed up. He didn't come with Misty, but it's still his dope project. Finally get to see it. Haven't seen it yet, so it's definitely dope. What's up? Yeah, so definitely dope. Work in progress, but check the inside. And he got the chandelier. Like, that's crazy. Okay. Alright, alright. Gotcha. Gonna hear it move. Sound better than I thought. My car. So yeah, they basically sent the same size, so still doesn't work. So back to the drawing board. Alright, so yeah, this is a big fail. I had a lot of people asking me about this company and about the splitters I'm getting, but I'm definitely not gonna recommend them, even if they do get it right, because this is the second time. We did the measurements twice, sent it to them. Measurements was the same each time, but they came up too long each time. Normally, like, okay, well, we'll just cut it, but the ends, they actually have something on the side, so it's like you can't just cut it. Then you're cutting basically the main thing off of it. So we'll give them another shot here, see if they can get it right. If not, then we'll just get a refund and then kind of go from there. But yeah, definitely will not recommend them. But I'll keep an eye out for some other side splitters as well. I was thinking about heading over to the other event. One of the homies came here and he's going over there, but I'm just gonna head home for the day. I'm not really gonna do too much else. Just roaming out here like this. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I know it's a pretty quick video, so I apologize for that. And I was supposed to have a follow-up with the actual splitters and a whole car overview, so we gotta push that off again, so I do apologize for that as well. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get to the bottom of what's going on with that and go from there. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in, so please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.